Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to check out resort stats on the Slopes application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone. Tap on the resorts button down below, which is the second option, and after that you should scroll down to select a resort. After that, scroll down again until you find the resort stats section. Here you can find these basic information at the top, then the run difficulty, and the daily averages are also available based on the Slopes community. If you want to, you can also check out the website to get more information about this resort. Here you can find the phone number of a ski emergency or patrol. And besides the resort stats, you can check out the snow forecast, also what people are saying, the conditions, and other necessary information about this resort. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.